Good morning, dear friends. I am Ashish Singh. Again, welcome you all of you in my channel, Pharma Accelerator. I hope you all are doing good. So, yesterday I have covered with the topic regulatory guideline and what's their importance in pharmaceutical industry. So, I would like once again to today is all about the regulatory guide and its role and importance. Now, I would like to discuss today ICH guideline, its introduction, what are the purpose, what are the categories, and how they impact on global pharma healthcare. Okay, so let's be started. ICH guidelines. ICH extend for the International Conference on Harmonization. Where harmonization word comes that is related to the human health, drug substance, drug product, clinical study, non-clinical study, biotechnological products, pharmaceutical regulations, product life cycles, their risk assessment. These all are covered in these guidelines. So I would like to discuss today only quality guidelines. Quality guideline must subdivided into 14 subparts. So quality guideline is a guideline where we improve the product and substance quality by incorporating their testing, by incorporating their specifications, by their risk assessment. Overall, we will impact on the quality of the material and medicines that are used for the human well-being. So let's we discuss one by one. Quality guidelines under Q&A, we study the stability guideline. Under these guidelines, we will the stability of the product and the photo stability, bracketing, matrixing of the stability products and their registration and data review. Overall, what about the stability? What are their reason of the stability in country wise? So apart from that, we next move in another guideline, analytical validation. Means it defines the process and procedures, how we perform the analytical method validation for drug product and drug substances in terms of cell resolution and related substances. So now we move through the Q3 guidelines. Under Q3 guidelines, we access the impurity study of drug substance. Means the impurities are what? What do you mean by the impurities? Means any material apart from its purity level, either it may be its degradation product, either may be the synthetic degradation, either may be the sulfated as and LOD and water. These are comes under the impurity. They may cause impurity. They are the source of generator of the impurity. Means ki any other material away from there the potency of the drug entity that is comes under the impurities. It may be related to the process, reagent, solvent, degraded impurity, known impurities. So impurity study and their guidelines and their validation that should be comes under the Q3A to Q3D. Now Q4 guidelines that is extend for the pharmacopoeial. What are the monograph need to be the updated? What are the monograph need to be incorporated? What are the existing? What are the upcoming? That all deals with the pharmacopoeial changes. So Q5 guidelines mainly deals with the biotechnology product, means insulin and many enzymes and are comes under the biotechnological products. Prebiotics, probiotics, these are also comes under the biotechnological. Q6 में हम लोग स्टडी करते हैं स्पेसिफिकेशन. स्पेसिफिकेशन हम डिज़ाइन करते हैं स्टेराइल, नॉन स्टेराइल फॉर्मुलेशन के लिए, ओरल फॉर्मुलेशन के लिए एंड इंजेक्टेबल फॉर्मुलेशन के लिए. अंडर दिस स्पेसिफिकेशन वी विल एस्टेब्लिश द लिमिट of that substances and drug product for analysis. Now Q7 guideline that comes under the schedule M, that is known as a good manufacturing practices. Now it will be converted nowadays current good manufacturing practices that comes under the digitalization and AI world also. So the time to time upgradation to comes for the enhancement of the regulatory compliance with these guidelines. Quality, good manufacturing, it covers the procedure, premises, manpower and materials, storage, manufacturing process, everything that should be related to the manufacturing, that comes under the good manufacturing practices. So Q8 pharmaceutical development means इसमें फार्मास्यूटिकल डेवलपमेंट में आपका प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट आ जाता है और पैकेजिंग डेवलपमेंट भी आ जाता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज ए Q9 गाइडलाइन दैट इज एक्सटेंड फॉर द क्वालिटी रिस्क मैनेजमेंट मीन्स एनी abnormality that is found under the quality that comes under the category of the risk identification, risk assessment, risk correction and risk prevention, that also come in the quality risk management. There are many methods to ensure the risk management, FME analysis and fishbone model to access the quality risk management. Pharmaceutical quality management when our product quality is deviated, there are many are the components to describe the pharmaceutical quality management. One is a change control, QMS and CAPA, OS, OT, OS, deviation, planned, unplanned deviation. These are the major components of the pharmaceutical quality management. Six Sigma tooling. And now we going through the Q11 guideline, development and manufacturing of the drug substance. न्यू ड्रग सब्सटेंस का कैसे डेवलपमेंट होता है, क्या मैन्युफैक्चरिंग क्या होता है ड्रग सब्सटेंस के लिए, ये गाइडलाइंस हम इसमें क्वालिटी गाइडलाइंस में पढ़ते हैं. नाउ Q14 प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल मैनेजमेंट, किसी भी प्रोडक्ट की लाइफ साइकिल को मैनेज करते हैं हम Q12 में. एंड Q13 में हम क्या है, continuous manufacturing of drug substances and drug product. Okay, so now Q14 में analytical procedure establishment, that should be also incorporated in the Q2 guidelines with combined practices of the validation and development that comes under the accreditation in 2023. So above all guidelines we are discussed with related to the quality. So this is the introduction and sub parts of the quality guidelines. So I would like to introduce what are the purpose to incorporate these guidelines. These guidelines incorporation purpose is very important to us. Before these guidelines comes under the implementations. So we are doing the non-GMP practice, we are doing the non-GLP, non-GCP, non-safe practices or non-effective methods were applied for the drug substances, delay in the regulatory timeline, delay in the drug discovery, delay in the drug developments, and delay in the pharmaceutical business. To need to upgradation, to need to get the CTD, ECD filing in the regulatory and get and grant permission to the approval for new product manufacturing, and based on their the quality outcomes that will be designed for all substances and products, that is known as the quality guidelines. Okay, so what are the benefit we are getting after implementing? Global presence of Indian pharmaceutical companies, global access, patient safety, compliance and quality of the pharmaceutical products, well treatment to the patient at global level, get mannered filing in terms of the quality, safety, efficacy. Now the reduced drug development time, drug discovery time, reduce risk associated with the drug, reduce some clinical and non-clinical observations. These guidelines play very vital roles in analytical as well as manufacturing as well as regulatory submission. So apart from this, I would like to close and sign off my presentation in view of all introductory part that has to be covered under the quality, importance, introduction, and what are the lacking before it, that should I have also covered in this session. So I would like to hear from you if any discrepancy and any updation you want from my side in these guidelines. Please comment, like, subscribe, and support my channel for new upcoming topics and projects that I would like to discuss with you here to groom your knowledge, to groom our professionals, to groom our students. This is only purpose of our channel and my mission. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. We will meet you soon with new topic. Thank you.